Hello, welcome to your 12th video on beginning HTML. Today we will be looking at the radio button and checkbox in our input tags. Let us begin. Now in the situation, we'll start with the radio button, whereby you want a user to only select one option out of two, or one option out of three, or one option out of many, but you want the user to only pick one option. You use a radio button. How do you do that? Is you input, you add an input type, but this time I'm changing the type to be radio. Then I duplicate this twice. Okay, this time let me put a form, a label, so that the user knows what is expected. So this time we are doing gender, which is male. Is that you're a male or you're a female? If I save this, go to our web page and see what we have, refresh. We have whereby they can select either a male, sorry, or a female. This should be female. So let's refresh. Whereby you can select male or female. But now there is an error here. Yes, we only expect the user to be able to select one out of these two, but it's picking both of them. The reason why is this is for you to restrict the user from selecting more than just one, you have to add another attribute to your input tag called name. Now this name will bear anything, but this time we want to put something relating to what we want the user to put, so we'll do gender. Now one thing again you have to do is this, because if I come here and do, okay, let's say this is for male, and I come here and do a name, this is for female, which is meant to, and if I save, go back, refresh, if I select, I'm still selecting both, meaning the user can still select both of them, but that is not what we want. The reason why is this name must be the same thing all through the radio tag you are doing. So I'm going to do something that is, so I'm going to use gender in place of male and also gender in place of female. Now once the name attribute are the same thing, if you go back and refresh, now the user can only check one out of the two of them, he can't pick both. Now that's all about your radio button. This time, okay, let's go into the input checkbox. Now you use checkbox when you want them to put in multiple answers. So let's do checkbox. Okay, to save us time, I'm going to copy this code, then bring it underneath here. So put the label here. Here I'll do, okay, let's say car. Okay, color. So here will be red, here will be blue, and here will be green. So I'm removing the name attributes from this, also the name attributes from this. Then I'm changing the type to checkbox, also changing this type to checkbox, also changing this type to checkbox. Now if I save, go back, refresh. Now with checkbox, you have the ability to select multiple, more than one. So I can unselect, select one, probably, or select all. So in this whenever you want the user to select more than one, use checkbox. But if you want to restrict the user from picking multiple, you just want the user to pick one, always use your radio button. Thank you. I'll see you in the